In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change Facebook name on an Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Facebook app and then tap right here to head over to menu. Then tap at that gear to navigate to the settings and privacy, and then tap right there to go to Meta Account Center. Then at the very top you can easily find profiles. Get into profiles and then open up the profile to which your Facebook account is attached. At the very top located my main Facebook profile, where I have both Facebook and Instagram accounts attached to that profile. And in here, by tapping add name, we can go to the tool that allows us to edit name for our Facebook account. If you are divorced or married or for any other reason you want to change your Facebook name, that's where you can easily do so. So guys, by tapping right here, we can delete current name, then we can enter new one. We can also set middle name for our account, and in the same way we can edit last name. Once you made a changes, this button will be active. Now it is not active. I cannot tap right here because I don't made any changes. However, if you did, you will be able to tap on it to proceed to the next step, where you will be asked to enter your current Facebook password, and also you may be asked to confirm your identity via SMS verification code. After that, your name, your new name for your Facebook profile will be set. Just keep in mind that if you change your name, you can change it again for 60 days. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.